In a bustling city, two superheroes clash in a mysterious alley, their eyes locked in a serious stare. Suddenly, a gigantic sneeze monster emerges from a nearby dumpster, unleashing a cloud of foam and confetti. Our heroes fumble as they attempt to trap it with oversized nets, but end up ensnaring each other instead, resulting in an exaggerated tug-of-war. Just when it seems they're trapped, the sneeze monster unleashes an epic sneeze, sending everyone flying comically through the air. As they land, they recover with a cheeky grin, raising their fists triumphantly, while the sneeze monster bows cartoonishly, acknowledging their teamwork.